I think that Amazon is going to maintain the Iron Throne for a very, very long time.
TikTok has launched a new feature that allows users to shop directly from its app.
It's a threat to everyone, including Amazon.
You've probably come across Temu.
And how it could be the Amazon killer.
What do you think, Stephen, is the biggest competition to Amazon? Is it TikTok Shop or Temu?
TikTok and Temu are absolutely on the radar for Amazon right now. They're very watching with intent. Amazon is a logistics company that happens to be a marketplace. TikTok and Temu are neither marketplaces nor logistics companies. What they actually are is a video platform. TikTok and Temu could be a flash pan. They might be gone in 5 years.
Have you ever applied for Chinese citizenship?
And the U.S. government likes to have a monopoly on violence and on intelligence. And TikTok has a lot of intelligence, and there's some spyware on that app. There's no question about it, right? Like, everybody knows. It's not even a secret.
Scary, yeah.
I wouldn't put TikTok on my own phone. That's the truth. There's no question that Amazon's the best place to be, and it will be for a long, long time.